ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone, and today we are at the Malibu State Park, and we recently went on a really long hiking trail, and we stopped to take a look at this dam because it's really great, and as you can see, IK went for a little bit of a swim. But
we were also walking right next to where the MASH TV show was filmed.
Exactly.
Right here on the Malibu State Trail.
An 80s show. But let's get straight into these hot topics. Speaking of films, Hitman's Wife's Bodyguard shoots its way to the top of the box office.
Bro,
You know, Dr. Ross, I could see this film becoming one of the greatest films for this month, or however they vote it, because we all know that the films go from number 1 to number 2, all the way down, then back up.
Exactly.
But with this film, Dr. Ross, I could tell it was going to be a hit because you have Salma Hayek, Ryan Reynolds, Samuel Jackson, and they just showed in the new trailers too that we saw on TV. You have Morgan Freeman. Now, we watched the film, and the film was hilarious.
That's
If
right.
you haven't watched it, you guys have to go watch it.
It had us laughing the entire time. But I wouldn't say that it's going to be the best movie of this month because we still have a little bit of the month to go, and there's a lot more movies coming out. Like IK and I are going to be seeing this new movie with Robert De Niro, where he's showing he's a filmmaker and producer, but he's on a bit of a budget. So we're going to go watch that.
But with that film, Dr. Ross, that releases in a few months.
Well,
But
we're
we'll
going to see what that's like.
We'll stay tuned and we'll give you guys an in-depth review.
That's
Let's
right.
get into our final hot topic for today.
Well, for our next hot topic, we have Kim Kardashian shares an exclusive Father's Day post amid divorce from Kanye West. And
First of all,
recently-
you know just from hearing Kanye's name, she's flipping a table or stabbing a teddy bear.
Exactly.
We know that Kim is pissed off right now.
And
with
speaking of Kim and Kanye, actually, like you were saying, IK, how she's mad. Maybe she's being mad by reversing it into the social media and saying the opposite of what she's actually feeling. Because recently she was saying that she's happy for Kanye and that the lady he's allegedly with right now is
Irina Shayk.
perfect for him.
But
So-
reverse psychology. Who knows? Kim may be learning this from her lawyer documents.
Or maybe she's trying to say Kanye's crazy, but she still loves him. On to our next hot topic, we have Kevin Hart recalls the time when he was getting his daughter back after publicly apologizing for affair. What are your thoughts, IK?
Surprisingly, Dr. Ross, this is the first time I've ever heard with him in a affair of any sort.
Actually, I've been hearing he was in a couple affairs. I think twice or 2 or 3 times.
But Kevin, you better be careful with those kids because you know the wife has an alimony and she has all your kids.
Exactly. That's why you're trying to get your daughter back. But just stop cheating, Kevin, and everything will be all right. And I don't know about your wife if she's cheating or not, but nobody's caught her yet in the cheating act.
And Dr. Ross, Kevin, if you're trying to make some big money and be in a big film, Dr. Ross and I have the job for you.
That's
so
right.
Kevin, hit us up. Hit our line up. And for the wife, keep on playing. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Will Smith announces his autobiography called Will and reveals his cover art. What are your thoughts, IK?
Hopefully it's not a honey bun. On to our next
Exactly.
hot topic.
The thing I want to mention about Will Smith is, though, recently Will Smith was interviewing Kevin Hart on the Red Table Talk, and that was kind of interesting, but the only thing that the Red Table Talk does to their host is make them cry.
I'm
And
going to say one thing, though.
Go
With
ahead.
everyone on the show, they all know that Will is a sugar pie honey bun.
Especially
you
the people that know
Dr.
him
Ross,
closely.
we should play that one song. I can't help myself. Well, however it goes. That's
With
you,
the,
Will.
Sugar Hug Sweetie Pie, that song.
That's you, Will. And you know, everyone on the film, to get back to the topic, everyone who's on that show, Red Table Talk, knows that Will is a bit tender.
Exactly. The whole entire family. But I was going to
Exactly.
say that Willow and Michael Jackson's daughter were recently on the Red Table Talk, but it was on a 101 exclusive interview, and apparently they've been friends for a really, really long time. They're like one of the same kind for me personally.
They're both rich.
Exactly.
But Willow, put us in your band. Let's get into our next hot topic.
So, Millie Bobby Brown steps out with John Bon Jovi's son and it's making romance rumors. So if you don't know who Millie Bobby Brown is, which some people know her, some people don't, but she's from the hit show Stranger Things, and recently she was on Godzilla. So what are your thoughts, IK, about her having dating rumors with John Bon Jovi's son? I don't know why I'm having trouble pronouncing that.
You mean Bon Jovi?
Yes.
Or is it Bon Jovi or is it someone else?
His son. His son.
Okay. Either way, Dr. Ross, it doesn't matter because the king is still here, and you know who's going to be next in line. Let's get into our next hot topic. William and Kate are going to be the new king and queen for the royal family.
That's right.
But one thing we got to say to end this topic is that no one cares about the kids.
That's
now,
right.
we don't care about the kids. The parents do care for you kids. Let's get
Except
into
for
our next hot
IK,
topic.
because IK will be dating Kate's daughter.
That's right, Dr. Ross. 14 more years. Let's get into our next hot topic.
So, Megan Fox, Kourtney Kardashian, and Addison Rae attend Machine Gun Kelly and Travis Barker's rooftop concert. So, recently I've been seeing Megan Fox and her new boyfriend, Machine Gun Kelly, and Kourtney Kardashian and her boyfriend, Travis Barker. They've been going on a lot of double dates together.
Well, it's because,
So,
first of all, Travis and, what's his name?
Machine Gun Kelly.
Travis and Machine Gun Kelly have been longtime friends. So they're both obviously right now over there. Yo, we just got 2 vixens and we did nothing.
Well, you know
there
what?
must be something to this.
Kourtney was turned into a vixen because before she was never really like this. But
Kourtney is doing too much, but still.
let's close
Enough
off
of
these
that.
hot topics, IK.
These were all of our hot topics. And for Kourtney, come to the Rose and Gold family. We know you're trying to be scandalous,
That's right.
so become one of the. Actually, she was the She's Hot winner.
The whole clan.
We just needed to be put into the Playboy Hall of Fame. These were all of our hot topics, and we'll see you on the next episode of Rose and Gold. That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
Check out this view, and if you're in California, come on down to this lake, because most people, we didn't even know that there was a dam right here, right next to your hiking site. So after you go hike and get all sweaty and have a long journey, here's where the river is. People were swimming earlier.
Take a swim. Out.